Hey everyone, welcome to another video called Warplanes World War II Dogfight. So, this game, I've played a bit, aka, I played a lot of them on the Americans team. So, what I'm gonna do is give you an idea of the game. So, here is where you could buy customized planes and all that stuff. Let's do this one. Back then, these are types of stuff that they had. Ooh, teeth. Let's go with this. This one seems very cool. And yeah, that's how you edit them, right? You go to every single one there is. Oh, yeah, there's a lot and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna be here's where you could choose the type of mission. You want a naval mission, you click naval mission. You want an offensive mission, which is a mission where you go to destroy a base or destroy some sort of battalion or just a bunch of land targets. And some fighters. And then you have a defensive mission where you're defending your base against bandits, aka Axie planes, Japanese, German, anything. So today we're gonna do a naval mission. Oh, also, I've played a lot of. I finished the Americans, so I started on the Germans. So I'm gonna do a video of the German nation, unlocking all the planes and all that. But anyways, let's do a naval mission. So you click start, you click start again, and now you protect these because they're blue. And no, it's not you. It's not just you. You have all these. These are all your friendlies because you unlock them. But since it's a naval mission, we're only gonna bomb and shoot the ships.
Godspeed. Copy that, sir. Awaiting orders. Did you hear that, boys? We're on it. We're on it, sir.
I got a few bombers, a few fighters. I'm gonna change my plane to the P-38 Lightning. And, yeah, you click the button where you see planes and it has arrows. There's a bombing site, which is the one that shoots bombs. A bomb and bullets. You have the AK things that look like AT shells.
Bombs away! He's firing at me! Bomb run completed. Moving into safe position. Target destroyed!
Wow, one's already destroyed.
Dropping bombs! I got it!
That
Target
one?
destroyed!
Too.
Bomb away! This is command. Focus on the target. It's under heavy fire. Bombs dropping in a minute.
Okay,
Waiting for orders, sir.
Is there any on the Corsair? No, of course there's none. Anything? I guess we'll go with this. It has rockets.
I'm focusing on this one. Rocket away! Target up in flames. Objective complete. Bomb's gone. We're clear. Moving away.
Did that destroy it?
Rocket away! Ready for your orders, squadron leader.
Let me look for one more with a rocket. I'm going all the way in here, screw that. All the way? Right.
Direct hit! Destroyer suck! Mission objective achieved. I'm on it! Firing rockets!
I don't care anymore.
Focus on the target. It's under heavy fire.
Okay.
Awaiting
Now
orders.
that we got rid of them,
Acknowledged. We're on
just
it. Copy that,
shoot
sir.
all
Copy that,
fighters.
leader. Understood. Acknowledged. We're on it. Copy that, leader. Acknowledged. We're on it, sir. We're on it. Understood. Out. Copy that, sir. We're on it, sir.
Okay.
We're on it, sir.
And
we're on it. Did you hear that,
no
boys?
planes
We're
die.
on it. Understood.
gets shot
We're
down.
on it, sir.
When
We're
it
on
gets a
sir.
certain amount of health, the plane immediately evacuates. And that red button with the plane and an arrow in front of it shows that you could send it back home, back to the airfield, and it'll never come back. Or you could, just for the battle. And then you have another one that's kind of like white, and it has bombs plus ammunition, which are bullets. And there's a white arrow, so that means you could send them back and they'll refuel and all that, resupply. But since I don't need any, I'll just go with them.
Got him in
With the
sight.
mission,
Lots of smoke coming out.
shoot a bunch of the Axis planes, and yeah, that's what we're doing. I have to destroy 8 squadrons.
I have it.
These are Japanese planes.
Confirmed kill on enemy
And
fighter.
to tell the difference between a bomber and a fighter, fighter planes have a triangle. Bombers have a diamond.
That's a confirmed kill on enemy fighter.
For example, that yellow one has a diamond. It's a bomber.
Good kill. Bomber out of
And
action.
then
Enemy locked on.
this is also a bomber.
I got him.
And that machine gun is how much ammo you have until how much power your gun has
Plane is
before
going down.
it overheats and then it stops working for a bit.
Hostile bomber spotted.
Yeah. Oh, and you could use the thing where it shows like aim, where it has this aiming and it has a plane in the middle of a cross. That's to aim. Oh, and you have a mirror. And when it comes to bombers, the good thing, or at least if it has one other gunner than the pilot, I guess you could go to bombers. You see that small little turret in the back? You click it, it goes behind you, and now you're able to shoot behind. So yeah,
I got him.
we're almost. So yeah, we're
Standing by for
we
orders.
almost got them. Let's go.
We've got incoming enemy fighters. Get ready.
Aren't these bombers? These are bombers.
Got him in sight.
Yeah, that's the bomber. Dropped a bunch of bombs.
I got him. Enemy locked on. Enemy down.
Oh my, so close. Oh my, they're all following this one bomb. You know what? I'll help you guys out.
I'm closing in for the shot. Enemy
I'm
down.
not allowing you to even try.
Enemy locked on. The plane is going down. Mission critical target destroyed.
So,
I have it.
this is
Enemy
cool.
is pulling back and
Well,
objective is safe.
stay on mission.
Mission complete.
Oh, we did it. Okay, let's claim our reward, 15 gold. And yeah, that's technically the aim of the game. So, yeah. Oh, and then you have this small little gift box, which you could click on it and you might get a bit of gold to watch, or, I'm trying to look for it. I can't find it. Here. When this green bar hits all the way, when the bar is full with when the bar is full, it gives you gold. So yeah. Technically, yeah. So all I have to do more is, that's a lot of dust. Godzilla was here, and I have to do War Heroes, Individual, Show Off, Lone Wolf, and The Legend. And I'm pretty sure I'm done with every achievement. So I'm just gonna finish the achievements for the Americans, and I think that's it. We'll be done with them. Wings over America. So yeah, that's it. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.